Welcome to our comprehensive guide on choosing single sign-on, or SSO, for marketing teams. In today's digital landscape, managing multiple accounts and platforms can be overwhelming, especially for marketing professionals who rely on a variety of tools. SSO simplifies access, boosts security, and streamlines workflows. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step checklist to help your marketing team select the right SSO solution. We'll cover everything from understanding your needs to evaluating vendors and implementation tips. Let's get started by exploring what SSO is and why it's crucial for marketing teams. Single sign-on, commonly known as SSO, is an authentication process that allows users to access multiple applications with one set of login credentials. For marketing teams, this means less time spent managing passwords and more time focusing on campaigns. SSO enhances security by reducing password fatigue and centralizing authentication. It also improves user experience, making it easier for team members to switch between tools like analytics platforms, social media dashboards, and email marketing services. Understanding SSO's basics is the first step in choosing the right solution. SSO is more than just convenience, it's a strategic asset for marketing teams. With multiple platforms in use, managing access becomes complex and risky. SSO reduces the risk of unauthorized access, simplifies onboarding and offboarding, and ensures compliance with security policies. It also helps maintain productivity by minimizing login issues. For marketing teams handling sensitive data and collaborating across departments, SSO is essential for maintaining a secure and efficient workflow. The first step in choosing an SSO solution is to assess your marketing team's needs. Start by listing all the platforms and tools your team uses daily. Consider the number of users, the types of data handled, and any compliance requirements. Identify pain points, such as frequent password resets, or difficulties accessing certain applications. Understanding these needs will help you define clear objectives for your SSO implementation and ensure the solution aligns with your team's workflow. Once you've assessed your needs, it's time to define your objectives. What do you want to achieve with SSO? Is it improved security, streamlined access, or easier user management? Set measurable goals, such as reducing password-related support tickets or enhancing compliance. Clear objectives will guide your evaluation process and help you communicate requirements to potential vendors. Make sure your objectives are aligned with broader business goals and marketing strategies. Next, identify which integrations are necessary for your marketing team. Make a list of all applications, platforms, and tools that need to be connected through SSO. This includes analytics tools, CRM systems, social media platforms, and email marketing services. Check if these tools support SSO and what protocols they use, such as SAML or OAuth. Understanding integration requirements ensures that your SSO solution will work seamlessly with your existing tech stack. Security is a top priority when selecting an SSO solution. Evaluate the security features offered by different providers. Look for multi-factor authentication, encryption standards, and compliance certifications. Consider how the SSO solution handles user data and protects against threats like phishing or brute force attacks. For marketing teams dealing with sensitive customer information, robust security measures are essential to safeguard data and maintain trust. A positive user experience is crucial for adoption. Assess how easy it is for marketing team members to use the SSO solution. Is the login process intuitive? Can users access all necessary tools without confusion? Look for features like single-click access, customizable dashboards, and mobile compatibility. A user-friendly SSO solution will encourage adoption and minimize resistance, ensuring your team can focus on their marketing tasks. With your requirements in hand, compare SSO vendors. Research providers that specialize in SSO solutions for marketing teams. Evaluate their reputation, customer reviews, and support options. Compare pricing models, scalability, and integration capabilities. Create a short list of vendors that meet your needs, and schedule demos to see their solutions in action. This comparison will help you make an informed decision and find the best fit for your team. Before making a final decision, request demos from shortlisted vendors. Involve marketing team members in the testing process to gather feedback. Test key features, integration capabilities, and user experience. Assess how well the SSO solution fits your workflow and whether it addresses your pain points. Demos and testing are essential to ensure the solution meets your expectations and is ready for real-world use. Support is a critical factor in SSO selection. Review the vendor's support options, including documentation, training, and customer service. Consider response times, availability, and expertise. Reliable support ensures smooth implementation and helps resolve issues quickly. For marketing teams, ongoing support is vital to maintain productivity and adapt to changes in technology or workflow. Scalability is important for growing marketing teams. Evaluate how well the SSO solution can accommodate more users, new tools, and expanding workflows. Look for flexible pricing models and easy integration with additional platforms. A scalable SSO solution will support your team's growth and adapt to changing needs, ensuring long-term value and stability. Compliance with regulations is essential for marketing teams handling sensitive data. Ensure the SSO solution meets industry standards such as GDPR, CCPA, or HIPAA. Review the vendor's compliance certifications and data handling practices. Compliance not only protects your team, but also builds trust with clients and stakeholders. Make compliance a key criterion in your SSO selection process. Develop a clear implementation plan for your chosen SSO solution. Outline steps for deployment, user onboarding, and training. Assign roles and responsibilities to ensure a smooth rollout. Set timelines and milestones to track progress. A well-structured implementation plan minimizes disruptions and ensures your marketing team can start benefiting from SSO quickly. User training is key to successful SSO adoption. Provide comprehensive training sessions for marketing team members. Cover login procedures, troubleshooting, and best practices for security. Offer resources like guides, FAQs, and video tutorials. Well-trained users will make the most of the SSO solution and help maintain a secure environment. After implementation, monitor SSO usage and performance. Track login activity, access patterns, and user feedback. Use analytics to identify issues or areas for improvement. Regular monitoring helps ensure the SSO solution continues to meet your marketing team's needs and supports ongoing optimization. Use insights from monitoring to optimize your team's workflow, adjust access permissions, streamline login processes, and integrate new tools as needed. Optimization ensures your marketing team gets the most value from the SSO solution and maintains high productivity. Feedback from marketing team members is invaluable. Regularly solicit input on the SSO solution's usability, performance, and impact on workflow. Use surveys, interviews, or informal discussions to gather insights. Incorporate feedback into ongoing improvements and ensure the solution remains effective and user-friendly. Promptly address any issues or challenges that arise with the SSO solution. Establish a clear process for reporting and resolving problems. Work closely with the vendor and IT team to troubleshoot and implement fixes. Quick issue resolution maintains trust and ensures uninterrupted access for marketing team members. Review and update your organization's access and security policies to reflect the new SSO solution. Ensure policies are clear, comprehensive, and communicated to all marketing team members. Updated policies help maintain compliance and reinforce best practices for secure access. Anticipate future growth and changes in your marketing team's needs. Choose an SSO solution that can scale and adapt as your team expands or adopts new tools. Planning for growth ensures your SSO investment remains valuable and supports long-term success. Review the costs associated with your SSO solution. Consider licensing fees, implementation expenses, and ongoing support costs. Compare these costs to the benefits gained, such as improved security and productivity. Cost analysis helps ensure your SSO investment delivers maximum value for your marketing team. Evaluate the return on investment, ROI, of your SSO solution. Measure improvements in security, user satisfaction, and productivity. Use metrics like reduced password resets, faster onboarding, and fewer login issues. ROI evaluation helps justify your SSO investment and guides future decisions. Maintaining security is an ongoing process. Regularly review security settings, update authentication methods, and monitor for threats. Work with your IT team to ensure the SSO solution remains secure and compliant. Ongoing security maintenance protects sensitive marketing data and supports business continuity. As your marketing team adopts new tools, update SSO integrations accordingly. Ensure new platforms are compatible and securely connected. Regular integration updates keep your workflow efficient and maintain seamless access across all tools. Effective communication is vital when updating SSO settings or adding new integrations. Inform marketing team members about changes, provide clear instructions, and address any concerns. Good communication ensures everyone stays informed and adapts smoothly to updates. Regularly audit access permissions to ensure only authorized marketing team members can use connected tools. Remove inactive users and update roles as needed. Access audits help maintain security and prevent unauthorized use of sensitive data. Stay informed about updates and new features from your SSO vendor. Review, release notes, attend webinars, and participate in training sessions. Vendor updates can enhance security, improve usability, and introduce valuable new capabilities for your marketing team. SSO can foster collaboration among marketing team members by providing easy access to shared tools and resources. Encourage teamwork and knowledge sharing through integrated platforms. Collaborative workflows help drive creativity and achieve marketing goals more efficiently. Document all SSO-related processes, including setup, troubleshooting, and user management. Clear documentation helps onboard new team members, supports training, and ensures consistency. Well-documented processes make it easier to maintain and optimize your SSO solution. Promote best practices for SSO usage among marketing team members. Encourage strong passwords, regular updates, and secure access habits. Best practices help maximize the benefits of SSO and maintain a safe working environment. Integrate analytics tools with your SSO solution to track usage, monitor performance, and identify trends. Analytics provide valuable insights for optimizing workflows and improving user experience. Use data-driven decisions to enhance your marketing team's effectiveness. Prepare for emergencies by establishing backup procedures and contingency plans. Ensure marketing team members know how to access tools if the SSO solution fails. Emergency planning minimizes disruptions and maintains business continuity. Regularly review access logs to detect unusual activity or potential security threats. Analyze login patterns and investigate anomalies. Access log reviews help maintain security and protect sensitive marketing data. Keep training materials up to date as your SSO solution evolves. Update guides, tutorials, and FAQs to reflect new features or changes. Up-to-date training materials support ongoing learning and help marketing team members stay informed. Encourage innovation by exploring new SSO features and integrations. Stay open to adopting emerging technologies that enhance security and productivity. Fostering innovation keeps your marketing team competitive and ready for future challenges. Maintain a strong relationship with your SSO vendor. Communicate regularly, provide feedback, and stay informed about updates. A positive vendor relationship ensures you receive timely support and access to new features, helping your marketing team succeed. Encourage adoption of the SSO solution by highlighting its benefits and addressing concerns. Share success stories and demonstrate how SSO improves workflow and security. Adoption is key to maximizing the value of your investment and ensuring all marketing team members benefit. Regularly review the performance of your SSO solution, assess uptime, speed, and reliability. Use performance reviews to identify areas for improvement and ensure your marketing team enjoys seamless access to all tools. Plan for future upgrades to your SSO solution. Stay informed about new features, security enhancements, and integration options. Upgrade planning ensures your marketing team continues to benefit from the latest technology and maintains a competitive edge. Promote security awareness among marketing team members. Provide regular reminders about safe login practices, phishing risks, and password management. Security awareness helps prevent breaches and ensures everyone contributes to a secure environment. Celebrate milestones and successes achieved with your SSO solution. Recognize team members for their contributions and highlight improvements in workflow and security. Celebrating success fosters motivation and reinforces the value of SSO for marketing teams. Encourage knowledge sharing about SSO best practices and lessons learned. Create forums, workshops, or newsletters to keep marketing team members informed. Sharing knowledge helps everyone stay up to date and supports continuous improvement. Prepare your marketing team for changes in technology, workflow, or business needs. Stay flexible and ready to adapt your SSO solution as required. Change management ensures your team remains resilient and continues to thrive. Choosing the right SSO solution for your marketing team is a strategic process that involves careful planning, evaluation, and ongoing management. By following this step-by-step checklist, you can ensure your team enjoys secure, efficient, and seamless access to all necessary tools. Remember, SSO is not just about technology. It's about empowering your marketing team to focus on creativity and results. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your SSO journey.